Every day we should know or learn some sentences. Then we can speak English correctly at any time. They are very simple. We must have to learn how to use them. Then you can speak fluent English. I will try to share more such sentences if you like. I hope these sentences will work for you. So let's get started. Call the doctor. Call the doctor. Crossing the street. Crossing the street. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Do you have to go now? Do you have to go now? From where did you buy your suit? From where did you buy your suit? He doesn't allow me to go there. He doesn't allow me to go there. He has caught a bad cold. He has caught a bad cold. He is a painter. He is a painter. He is my friend. He is my friend. He is not in house. He is not in house. She is not at home. She is not at home. He is not very well. He is not very well. He is out. He is out. How are you today? How are you today? How do people go there? How do people go there? How far from our house? How far from our house? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? I am as before. I am as before. I am better. I am better. I am quite all right. I am quite all right. I can't accept what you say. I can't accept what you say. I feel nausea. I feel nausea. I feel hoarse. I feel hoarse. I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. I have given up painting. I have given up painting. I have heard a lot about you. I have heard a lot about you. I will see you at home. I will see you at home. It was not your fault. It was not your fault. It's not noon yet. It's not noon yet. It's too dark outside. It's too dark outside. No one came here. No one came here. Please give me your address. Please give me your address. This house is too late. This house is too late. We cut the cake into 4 pieces. We cut the cake into 4 pieces. What building is that? What building is that? What can be done now? What can be done now? What is his profession? What is his profession? Where have you kept my clothes? Where have you kept my clothes? Where is the ticket counter? Where is the ticket counter? Which is the best hotel here? Which is the best hotel here? You are very short-tempered. You are very short-tempered. You don't know how to deal with others. You don't know how to deal with others. You don't seem to agree with me. You don't seem to agree with me. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.